Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip is an introduction to recursive sequences. So let's say a sequence is defined recursively by the rules below. Function of evaluated at 1 is equal to 2. This function evaluated at 2 is equal to 8. So the function evaluated at n is the function evaluated at the number right before that minus the function evaluated at the number right 2 before that. For example, to find the third one, we go to the second one, which is 8, and we subtract the first one, which is 2. So we have this one is 8, and this one is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Now let's do that again for the fourth one. Now we use the third one, which is 6, and we subtract the second one, which is 8, and that's how we get a negative 2. And so we can keep going. Well, let's look at a different example. So this one has different numbers, but it's a similar rule that you go to the one right before it and subtract the one before that from it. So the one right before 3 would be the second one. So I say 4, well, let's put that a little more like here, and then I subtract the one 2 steps before it, so that would be the 8. So that's how you get the negative 4. And so now to get my fourth one, I go to the third one, which is negative 4, and I subtract the one before that, which is a 4. Negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. Okay, now this one is written a little bit different. To find the next one, you go to the one before it, and you subtract the one before that. So it pretty much does the same thing, but it's just written a little different. So to get the third one, you go to the second one again, and you subtract the one before it, which is the first one, and so we get a 2. And so for the fourth one, we go to the third one, which is a 2, and you subtract the second one, which is a 5, and so that would be a negative 3. This one, we're going to get the nth term. We're going to go to the one right before it, and we're going to add the one 2 steps before it. So to get the third one, we go to the one right before it, which is 4, and we add the one right before that, which is 8, and that's how we get the 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. So now to get the fourth one, we go to the third one, which is 12, and we add the second one, which is 4, and that's how we get the 16. So those are recursive sequences. You have to do the rules all over again. Re is a mean you do it again. You have to keep going. You can't just jump straight to the 10th one. You have to go to the one before it to know what the next one is, to know what the next one is, to know what the next one is.